ThriveAcademy by ThriveCart just launched, and if you're confused of what that actually is, we're going to go over everything for you. I've been using ThriveCart now for over 4 years, and I absolutely love ThriveCart. I've also used other platforms as well, like Teachable and some other ones that we're going to talk about as well here. What we're going to talk about is ThriveAcademy replacing ThriveCart Learn. Is ThriveAcademy included with ThriveCart? Is it basically replacing Skool? Is it another monthly subscription? Do existing users of ThriveCart lose access? Is this for beginners? What does ThriveCart Academy actually do? So in this video, we're going to break it all down as simply as possible. I've got some demos I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what it is actually going to look like and how it compares to ThriveCart. So if you're already a ThriveCart user wanting to know how this is going to affect you, stay tuned. And if you're completely new to ThriveCart, checking it out, stay tuned as well. Down below in the description, I'll also have articles that I've written that breaks it down as well with screenshots. And I'll have a link to sign up for ThriveAcademy. It is an affiliate link, so it's a great way to also support my family. And they have some great discounts going on right now. So definitely check it out. I also have other resources in the description as well. So you definitely want to check it out and some freebies that I've created for you as well. So first, what is ThriveAcademy? So ThriveAcademy is ThriveCart's new community-based learning platform. So it's not just courses anymore or just memberships or digital downloads, different things like that. But now you can have community, much like in Circle, much like in Skool, in Kajabi, in Discord. So it's kind of like all of those in one, which is really cool. So the easiest way to think about this is instead of just hosting a course library, ThriveAcademy is going to combine courses and community and engagement, discussions, learning, creator interaction. So it's all in one ecosystem. And one of the biggest phrases they're using with this launch is community is the experience, courses live inside it. Meaning community itself becomes the main experience instead of just an extra feature attached to the course. So that way you're really building in that ongoing community feature where your students are engaged, they're constantly learning versus just buying a course and it sits in their bookmarks tab on their Chrome, which I know that I've been so guilty of. But when you're in a community as well, it makes you actually complete the course and get the knowledge and honestly do a subscription, a monthly membership, or also buy other upsells down the road as well, because you build that know, like, and trust with them when they're in a community. So what was ThriveCart known for before ThriveAcademy? If you're new to ThriveCart, it's important to understand that before ThriveAcademy, ThriveCart was known for plug and play, easy checkout pages, funnels, order bumps, upsells, affiliate management, digital product sales. And honestly, ThriveCart became very popular because they offered lifetime pricing when a lot of their competitors moved towards expensive monthly subscriptions. And that's one reason why creators love it. That's the reason why I moved from Teachable, because I was paying over $1,200 a month for Teachable, when ThriveCart, I was only paying $500 for lifetime access. But now ThriveCart is expanding into deeper memberships, communities, course ecosystems, and creator education platforms. All right, let's talk about ThriveAcademy pricing, because I know that's what we're all looking for. So this is what the annual prices are, what you're going to be paying monthly. There's 3 different tiers. There's a starter tier, which is $37 a month or $444 billed annually. There's a growth tier, which is $67 a month, and a scale tier, which is $97 a month. So this is still way cheaper than the competitors, which is absolutely amazing. So the starter tier is 2,000 members, up to 10 communities, activity feed, threads, discussions mentioned, profile directory, all of that. One thing that's really cool with the profile directory is your members can message each other and have that community and have that relationship with each other, which is absolutely incredible. It's also going to have all of the course content and delivery, the drip content and scheduling, the modules and lessons, the student portal, all of that. You can also now host your videos and your content in ThriveAcademy, which before on ThriveCart Learn, you couldn't. You would have to host it on a third-party website like Dropbox or Vimeo or YouTube. So now you can host everything inside, which is awesome. There's also gamification, which is really cool. So the points, the badges, letterboards, quiz scores, feed letterboards, member rewards and tags, student achievements and milestones, assessments of the quizzes, so you can see how people are doing. And, say you're having quizzes and people are not doing well in them, then okay, we need to cover this content more and we need to make more content on these aspects because my students aren't comprehending it. So it's really cool to get that feedback and see, oh, this is something I need to explain a little differently or better or make more content on. Revenue engineering, so native ThriveCart commerce inside a community, one-click upsells for existing members, which is really cool, paid private spaces. Then also creator branding like logos and colors, webhooks, in-app notifications, all of that. And then growth. So this is $67 a month. So this is up to 10,000 members, unlimited communities, custom community domain, advanced member segmentation, build member import, all of that. Then there's scale, which is unlimited members, multiple branded communities, white labeling, branding, unlimited video storage, all of that. So these are the prices. If you already have ThriveCart and you're wondering, does ThriveAcademy replace ThriveCart Learn? This is natural that a lot of people are wondering this. Everything that ThriveCart has shared so far is the existing Learn and Learn Plus users are still supposed to have their current functionality. So no, your courses are not suddenly going to be disappearing, but existing users, they are going to receive temporary access to test ThriveAcademy before deciding if they want to upgrade or not. Existing Learn users, you're going to get 2 months free with any plan. You're also going to, which we're going to go into everything down the road as well of costs and everything like that. But just a teaser, Learn users are going to get 2 months free with any plan, a bonus of 1 month for social sharing, and also 3 months free. Now, Learn Plus users are going to get 4 months free with any plan and bonus of 2 months of social sharing with a bonus offer of 6 months for free. So it is a one button migration that it brings over everything for you. I did it and I timed it and it was under 2 minutes for transferring over all of my courses, my memberships, my ebook, everything. It brought it all over to the platform for me. So this is what it first looks like for me when I brought everything over. So I can see all of my courses here. I can see that I have 9 published courses. I have 0 in draft. I have a total of 881 students. And this is very first for my grading without doing anything here. I can see that my top performing course here, 20 lessons, 632 students. I can view analytics of everything and see all of that. I can also see students, communities, tags, team, all of that right here. So who is ThriveAcademy actually for? I personally think that not every creator needs a full community-based platform. Some people simply want course hosting, checkout pages, affiliate tools, simple delivery. If you're just starting out and creating digital courses and you're just starting out in your business, other people want accountability and community engagement, discussions, gamification, networking, and strong student interaction. ThriveAcademy is much more focused on that style of creator experience, whereas ThriveCart is for people that just want the course hosting, the checkout pages, the affiliate tools, and the simple delivery. So should beginners care about ThriveAcademy? Honestly, I think it depends on your business. If you are just starting out, building your first audience, validating your offer, making your sales, you might not need this community platform yet. So for this instance, you may want to start with just ThriveCart, and I'll have links to ThriveCart below. They have a bundle, they have different options down below. But if you already have courses, memberships, coaching, digital products, and engaged audience, then I think ThriveAcademy is going to be the better option for you. Is ThriveAcademy trying to compete with Skool, Kajabi, Circle? And this is another question that I'm getting a lot. And I think yes, because ThriveCart is really working hard on trying to position themselves and ThriveAcademy for things like community first learning. I've been on ThriveCart for years now, and I've seen so many people asking, we need community. We don't want to do it in Facebook or have to do ThriveCart in Circle or ThriveCart in Skool. We want something, or ThriveCart in Discord. We want something all in one place. So that's what ThriveCart created, is ThriveAcademy. And I honestly think that this is just as good as those other platforms, and honestly, way more affordable than the other platforms, which is amazing. Some of the core features for creators are drag and drop course builder, which is one of the things I love about ThriveCart is you don't need to know coding or anything like that. It is so intuitive and easy. They also have course cloning and templates for rapid deployment, version control and rollback capabilities, project-based organization systems, bulk content management, multiple layout templates, sidebars, menus, all of that. Embed courses directly inside the community, multi-format video, audio, text, PDFs, interactive elements, mobile responsive. So there's you can have mobile as well, which is really cool. I know that Kajabi does that, and that's a huge selling factor that Kajabi has is the mobile app. So that's something new that's coming as well, which is really exciting. Native ThriveCart commerce, so one-click upsells and seamless purchase to enrollment, which is amazing. Multiple access models, public, free, private, paid, and beta. Also tons of AI stuff. So AI course creation assistant for outline generation, ChatGPT channel for integration, conversational learning, automated summary generation for your students as well, avatar instructions, content recommendation engine, which is really cool. Like I said, they're going to have a mobile app as well, which is awesome. So now your students can do it right on the go. And this is what the community feature is going to look like. So as we can see the courses, we can design it. We can also have letterboards to see what our students are doing. So this is behind the scenes of what it's going to look like and how you can customize everything, build communities. And it's such a cool platform. So I can't wait to make more tutorials for you down the road on step-by-step how to do everything. There'll be a ton more content on this. Definitely stay tuned for it. And like I said, this is something that is really competing with Kajabi, Circle, Discord, all the other platforms, which is just absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to dive in and use this for my own community. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them or find out. I am ThriveCart certified, so I have direct access to ThriveCart and getting those questions answered, knowing ThriveCart really well behind the scenes. So I'm so excited to answer those questions for you. And if you want to see a walkthrough of the ThriveCart platform, check out this video here.